Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we have a very special unboxing, something that came in from, I don't know where honestly, so let's take a look. I have some stickers, I'm not sure what it is, but we'll just go ahead and get right into it. Alright, today I'm opening up with my brand new, what is this? This is my Kizer Nice Guy. Love this knife. This beautiful little knife. The Kizer knife guy. Nice Guy. This is the 11th anniversary knife. Love that knife. Oh. Could it be? Could it be? Is it? Is it? Oh, yes. Okay, this is something completely outside of my normal genre and style of knife and color carbon fiber. So this is crazy. It's absolutely crazy, but man, I'm super excited. Here we go. Let's see. Is this magnetic? How do we open this? Is it? Okay, now I'm trying to think of how do we get this? Okay. Oh, there we go. All right. Beautiful Kizer box. Here we go. Got some stickers. Very cool, very cool. I don't have any of these stickers, so I'll have to add those to my collection. What do we have in here? Some extra hardware, which is always nice. A Kizer cloth. All right, here we go. I'm super excited about this. Oh my goodness. Yes, yes, yes. Here we are. This is the Militaw in camo, 80s Camocarbon. Totally outside of my aesthetic, but I just love the color with the black. This is the DLC one. I have been trying to get a hold of one of these forever. So let's take a look at this. Beautifully chamfered. I've not handled one. Well, I handled one at Blade Show, Texas, but it wasn't the DLC version, so I'm super excited about this. Bolstered lock, beautifully rounded clip there as well. Nice size in the hand. Beautiful thumb. Let's give it, oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. This is the black DLC blade. Polished. Look at that blade. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Wow. That is just stunning. But with that 80s Camocarbon, what do you think about that? I am digging that a whole lot. That 80s Camocarbon. Look at that. That works. That works. I don't know. It's got just enough of like the orange and the green with the pink in there and the blue. It really works. It pops at you. You know what I mean? It's a nice combo, nice palette. I really do dig it. And there you can see the nice clip. So let's take a look at this. Beautifully chamfered. Yeah, chamfered everywhere. Yeah, chamfered there. Rounded all the way around. I love nice frame lock, but it's a bolstered frame lock, which is really nice. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. T8 hardware all the way around. And that DLC polished blade is phenomenal. All right, let's give it a drop. Oh my gosh, look at that. All right, do the top flip. Oh yeah, that is beautiful. All right, so let's see, where's the detent? There's the detent, you clear it right there. Oh yeah, look at that, look at that. Do we have a little ramp? It almost feels such a premium knife. Like it feels almost like it's got a ramp. It's just really tuned well. Man, the last few knives I've gotten, I've not had to tune. And I got to tell you, that's really nice. I mean, I always tend to tune them because some people, you know, like really strong detent or not strong enough. But man, this is just a real treat. Wow, that is really nice. All right, so let's do left-handed. Oh, excellent. Excellent. Excellent in so many ways. Beautiful. All right, so got large hands with meaty fingers. So extra large hands with normal size fingers, double extra large hands with smaller fingers. This is your grip. You can choke up, so you've got plenty of room for double extra, triple extra large hands. Really, really nice. Chamfered all the way around. Any hot spots? No hot spots. Man, that DLC is something special. It really is. The closest thing that comes to that kind of a treatment on a blade is Mr. Eddie has allowed me to check out his Kunwu S-Tau, and that has a beautiful polished one, but that is just, I mean, that's next level there. Don't get me wrong, that S-Tau, that's something else, but this is something else too. Kizer, Golly, guys. What are you doing? This is voodoo magic. Keep doing it, man. Keep doing it. I'm digging this. What do we got? Number 36, limited number. I believe this is M390. Does it say on the box somewhere? Okay, this is a Jonathan style. Jonathan style. Very nice job, Jonathan, man. I appreciate you. M390, black DLC, polished titanium, Camocarbon 80s handle. Really, really nice. Really, really nice. All right, so everything I love about this is just really fantastic. Let's look at inside. A little weight relief in here, but it already has the carbon fiber inlays. That's going to take off a lot of the weight relief already. Beautiful frame lock. Nice cutaway, easy access, nice chamfering, gives you great access, catches there really nice so you don't have the guillotine on the finger. I am digging that. Look at that. That means it's just a fidget dream, right? Oh, look at that. And then I can just easily do the thumb, just like that. This is goodness. This is knife goodness for the price too. I mean, you're looking at $200. Now, I know I got the early bird special, so I paid $200. Great deal. If you got in on it, I hope you did. I did post a little community board kind of thing about it, and hopefully some of you guys got a chance to take advantage of that. But such a beautiful, beautiful knife design. I'm really digging that. Got two standoffs in the back. I really like that. I like how that comes across with just a little touch there. That's just very unique. Very unique. All right, let's zoom in on this little boy. This is worth taking a look at. So look at that beautiful high polished DLC blade. Gorgeous full flat grind, almost flat grind with a nice swedge. It's technically, I mean, if it wasn't for the swedge, it's not, I mean, this little flat right there, that's almost a perfect flat grind. Nice tip, very pokey tip. You can see that. Easily to get in dog food, cat food, fertilizer, mulch, cases of water, boxes, letters, really going to be nice. Then you also have the, oh, sorry, got a little dirt on there. It stands out. You got the 80 Camocarbon scale. I mean, it does do really nice lighting in here. You can kind of see that, but I bet in the sun it's even more crazy gorgeous. So that's beautiful. I'm digging that a whole lot. Here we have beautiful inside, the clip. Nice, yeah, good, nice and round right there, which is really great. You can see the number. And over here, we can see that beautiful cutaway and chamfering on the frame lock. That's really, really gorgeous. And then over here, like I said, you can, hold on one second. Sorry about that. My dog was starting to whine. So you can see the frame lock right here with the bolstered frame lock really, really nicely underneath. And I love the fact that they have the 80s Camocarbon on both sides. Really, really nice. I think I've seen 80s Camocarbon before. I didn't dig it. I don't know who did the blend here, who did this mix. This is a really nice job. The colors, the color palette, the way this made this desirable, the way they brought the colors together. It has a lot, it's a lot to be said for that. I really believe so. Beautifully rounded all the way around. No, not even chamfered, rounded, fully rounded corners. I really, really dig that a lot. The frame is really deep inside and inset, which is really cool. I mean, this is fully bolstered underneath because you can see, yeah, the frame goes underneath here. That's really stinking cool. Now that I see that. Wow. Yeah, that's really cool. All right, so, and that action, man, yeah, I'm going to put skiffs in there, but I don't think it needs it because it's perfect, right? All right, so let's look. Are we centered? We look pretty centered. Any blade play? No. Any pivot lash? Let's listen to that detent. Oh, sorry. Here, I did it again. I'm so excited about this knife. So, hold on. All right, let's see. Are we centered? I don't know if I zoomed in enough, so let's take a look at that. All right. Pretty well centered. Any blade play? No. Any pivot lash? No. Let's listen to that detent. Nice clickety. Any detent lash? No. Listen to it one more time. Nice, nice. Really, really great little blade here. Fantastic, man. This is going to be a joy to carry. Absolutely a joy to carry. This is, I mean, honestly, I've handled a lot of different Kizers. This is by far my favorite. Absolutely my favorite. And it's a color that I would never get in any other knife. I got to tell you, Devo Knives came out with one, the Lush, I think it was, and it had the 80s can. That looked pretty good too. But I'd already bought this one, so I was kind of like, I'm not going to go crazy with that. I mean, this is really nice, I think, in little tasteful bits. And this is very, very tasteful bit right here in this blacked out DLC Militaw. Oh man, just a really, really nice job on this one. Really nice job. Production, design, I love it. Really nice in hand. Got a little jimping there, you know, it works. You can definitely choke up. Definitely you can pinch grip, you know. Let's see that edge. Edge is nice and sharp. How even are we on that edge? On this side? On this side? Yeah, pretty good actually. It almost looks like a faint recurve, but I think it's just because they didn't try to go too deep on the choil, which I can respect. Man, that action is just phenomenal. I love it. I love it. All right, that's a fantastic knife. We'll definitely do a full review, obviously. Gonna have a chance to check this out. I'm super excited. This is just my first impression. It's not an unboxing. This is not a review. This is just me saying, you know, how do I feel about it? And this was fun. This was really fun to open. Yeah, you know, I dig it. I dig it. Some of you guys, I mean, for you, this may not be a big deal, but for me, I really enjoyed this. This was a lot of fun. What made this one fun is it was really hard to get a hold of. I had a hard time tracking one of these down. I'm not a giant channel where I get, you know, these fancy ones like some of the other big, wonderful channels do. And I appreciate them. And I appreciate Kizer because, yeah, they've given a couple of knives here. So we'll definitely be giving a couple of Kizer knives away. Not this one. This is mine. I bought it. This is staying in my collection. Yeah. So anyways, all right. Well, hey, thanks for watching. If you found this content fun, interesting, or worthwhile or informative, would you please consider hitting that like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, would you please consider hitting the subscribe button? Subscribing and liking the videos really helps out the channel, allows the channel grow, produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you. Thank you to everyone who watches, who enjoys the videos, who's part of the live stream, who just, you know, enjoys all the content. Thank you. Thank you so much. I really do mean that. And if you haven't already, hit that notification button down below so you can be notified of future content. And to all my channel members, a big, huge thank you. And I do a couple of things to say thank you to the channel members. I do a once a month members giveaway, very exclusive one. Usually try to make sure it's a very nice knife. You guys have been so generous with the membership, so I want to make sure I'm generous back to you. And then also, any brand new channel member, I always want to mail you a sticker. So email me with your name and address, and I'd love to mail you a sticker. And my small way to say thank you to the channel members. And if you've been a channel member before and you never asked, and you're a member now, or if you were a member before and became a member again and never asked, email me also. I'd love to mail you a sticker too. Thank you to all you guys out there. I sure appreciate it. And finally, if you haven't already, check me out over on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. That's again on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching today. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.